Peace, a question I get a lot, or even had to learn for myself, what are stocks? So stocks are a form of investment, where you're buying a piece of a company called a share. So essentially, you're owning a piece of the company. Uh, Ways that you make money from stocks is that the stock price goes up. So say you bought a piece of stock from, I don't know, Z company for $5. So you have a share of the company, and you hold it for a little bit, and a month goes by, 2 months go by, and the stock goes up. Now the stock is worth $10. So say you wanted to buy another share, then it would be cost you $10 now instead of 5. But now you decided, hey, I don't want this share anymore. So you'll sell it for $10 instead of 5 because the price increased. So now you've made $5 back instead of just having the 5 you initially invested. So you made profit. So that's one way. So selling and trading your stock is one way. Another way to make money off of stocks is if your stock pays dividends. I touched on that a little bit on the prior video. So dividends is when your company that you're investing in pays you back a dividend every quarter, if everything goes well, like they didn't go bankrupt and things of that nature. So they'll pay you a tiny percentage of whatever money they made. So it's usually small amounts, but if you have a lot of stock in that particular company, or multiple different companies, then you can get a lot back. I wrote some things down for you guys. Cat wants to join me. Say hi, Lane. Cats. Okay. So, the companies, if you're not familiar with what a stockbroker is or a broker's account is, in order for you to, a lot of people want to know where to buy stocks. So you buy stocks on the stock market, but in order to do that, you have to either go through a stockbroker, which is a person, or a brokerage account. So a stockbroker is a person, of course, and then a broker's account is through a firm. So the stockbroker or the firm is licensed to buy or sell stocks on the stock market. So think of them as kind of like a middleman between you and the company. So companies use stock, puts their company available for people to buy stock, to raise money to pay for other things such as funding a new product or expanding their business. So that's why stocks happen in general, especially them raising money, raising funds and things of that nature in order to expand their business. So back to the other statement. So you'll need a stockbroker or a broker's account. Some of the things I recommend, or places to buy stock I recommend, is if you're just starting out, like Robinhood or Cash App. Both of those apps you can use on your phone, and you can trade and buy stocks freely. Matter of fact, in my link, I'll put my Robinhood account so you guys could get it from me, and we both get a free share. That's my cat again. She is playing fetch. Okay. So another site you could use is TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and E-Trade. Those are another very popular and been around for a long time, so you could invest on that too. So those are some ways. I'm gonna chop this video up a little bit so it's a little bit more concise. You guys can figure out what's going on. If not, the information's here. You just gotta listen to me and my cat. All right. So those are some ways you could invest your money in what stocks are. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right. Peace.